Hey guys, today we are at the shop, and this is Irish Part by Ume. Today we are at Deals or Mr. Price. I'm looking for pots and gardening stuff and plants. Here we have some pots, and you already know because you're seeing pots. I'm looking for a beautiful pot to set to put on my window. So these are some stuffs that you will need for gardening, and you need these pots and all of these stuff for gardening, and I will show you. So I'm going to buy all the some. From here, as you see, these pots are beautiful, and then we have lights for your garden. I thought these are solar lights, six pack, yeah. And these are beautiful lights. The color is red, blue, orange. I think you can get any color that are in that pack. And then you have more lights down. And with these, your garden will be more better, and it will look beautiful. And you have bubbles. And then you have more DIY stuff. All prices are $1.50. It depends on the thing that you buy. And then shovels, more gardening stuff. I think I'm going to pick this shovel. It looks good to me. Its price is $1.50. It's so reasonable. And then you have metal planters for your soil, and they're like pots, but they're made from metal. And then more gardenware to decorate your garden. And then some more gardening stuff to decorate your garden. All of these stuff look beautiful, and all of these prices are cheap, like only for $1.50, but it depends on whatever you buy. So here we have some flower plants, and they all look beautiful to buy for your garden. Now we are at Aldi, and we're looking at some groceries and some soils and grow bags and some compost. I will show you some compost and soil. And this is garden line grow bag, and this is multi-purpose compost, so sowing, planting, and this is the grow bag, premium quality compost made in Ireland. And these are some wood for your fireplace, and some stuff that you use for baking: sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cake mix. And then you have Coke bottles, Fanta, and then here you have more baking stuff. And look, there's Doritos. And then more stuff that you can buy for eating, and yes, chocolate, hot chocolate, And then here you see some shovels and gardening stuff for kids, and the other and attire and the other thing, the other gardenware for adults that's inspired for children. And then you have it will, everything here. I think it will look good in any garden. And here you see clocks and mats for your outside your house. And then you have a kitchen towel. Before lockdown, none of these bags or sacks were empty, and now most of these are empty. Most of these racks are empty. And then you see children's table and chair set. I'm showing you some stuff. And then these are some chairs for your garden that you could use for outside your garden, camping, and loads of stuff. And everyone is remaining social distancing. And then you have more bleach and loads of for household stuff, and then children's toys and dinner sets and lunch sets and plates, makeup,